In this video, I'm working on an access control door with a Command Access latch retraction kit installed in a Kawneer style door. At the beginning, I'm using my Surface to remote unlock the door through PDK. And normally I'd probably use my phone or a badge for testing, but in this case my phone was actually recording, so the laptop just worked better. One thing that I like about systems like PDK is the fact that you can send a remote unlock command and get a visual representation of what the system's actually doing. So instead of just walking back and forth to a reader over and over again, you can test the door from the software while watching how the hardware actually reacts. But that's also where access control can get tricky. Just because the software sends the unlock command does not automatically mean that the door hardware is going to work correctly. In this case, the latch retraction kit wasn't behaving the way it should. The system could fire the command, but the mechanical side of the door still needed attention. Part of the issue was that the kit wasn't installed completely correctly, so I had to work through the hardware, test it, adjust it, keep verifying it as I went. That's a big part of troubleshooting access control. You're not just dealing with software, and you're not just dealing with the wiring, you're dealing with the full opening. The controller, the relay, the power supply, the lock, the crash bar, door alignment, the latch, the frame, the programming all have to work together. Here I'm continuing to button up the crash bar and test the latch retraction as I go. I don't like putting everything back together and then finding out something still isn't right, so I try to test in stages. Get the command to fire, watch the hardware move, verify the latch retraction, check that the door actually opens, then start putting the hardware back together. This is why access control can look simple from the outside, but there's a lot happening behind the scenes. A door can beep, click, and still not work right if the hardware isn't adjusted correctly. If you're a newer tech or just trying to understand access control better, I've been putting together low voltage field guides covering things like access control, door hardware, electric strikes, cameras, and other field knowledge. I'll link them in the description. Hopefully this gives you a better look at what's actually happening when we say we're troubleshooting an access control door.